Hi, I am Vincent Gabriel Garcia, and today I will show you the basic preparation for installing a Windows operating system. First, you need to go to Settings, then click Update and Security, then click Backup, then More Options, click See Advanced Settings, then click System Image Backup, then create a system image pack, then click this if you have a hard disk, then select this if you have a DVD. If you don't have that both, click the on a network location. After that, close it, close this, and ignore this for a while. Then go to your file explorer, then click this PC, then select manage. After that, select the local users group, click the users, then right click it, then create a new user. Type your username, then type your full name. After that, create your password. Then uncheck this box. Then click create. Then close. As you can see. Then after that, close this. Then go to your designated hard disk. Then create a new folder. Then call it backup. Then right click, select properties, then click sharing, click share, then click this arrow down, select the user, then add. Then after that, click this arrow down, then select read and write, then share, then double click this, then copy, then go and close this one, done, close, then close, then as you can see, we go back to the create a system image, then select on the network location, then paste the one that you have copied, then put your username, then your password, then click OK, then click next, then there you go, you can back up your system. Now for the restoring of files. First, I'll delete this file to show you that any file that can be deleted can be restored. Then I'll delete this now. Then go to the directory, the users, and right click the folder. Then click restore previous version. Then click open to show that the one deleted. Then after that, minimize. Then click restore. Then click restore again. Okay, then click OK. As you can see, the file is been restored into my folder. Thank you.